Lumentum. So this is how we finish now the dry indehiscent fruits, all the types of indehiscent fruits, starting from guess, achene, nut, grain, utricle, samara, schizocarp, and then the examples or the subdivisions of schizocarp, cri, reg, car, lo, and with examples. Okay, so far we have finished about the simple dry fruits. We have already finished about the dehiscent fruits in the previous video, and in the like earlier part we have finished about simple dry indehiscent. So we are talking about simple dry indehiscent type which does not break, and I told you also to remember how you can remember this by this method and guess. And this is the last one, is schizocarp. So now this schizocarp, schizo means split, and this carp means fruit. So what happens in schizocarp, that the fruit basically splits or breaks into smaller segments or mericarps. So the schizocarpic fruit, schizocarp, breaks or splits. So since it is indehiscent, so it will not break basically, but it will split into mericarps, smaller segments, and the number of segments also are different from one fruit type to another fruit type. Let us see the method to remember the schizocarp fruits. So how can you remember this? You can remember this by this word, cri, reg, car, lo. Cri, reg, car, lo. Now I will elaborate more. This cri means here cremocarp. This is cremocarp, and as I said, I'll be writing here, I'm making a table here. Cremocarp. Reg means regma. So this is regma. We'll discuss about this also. Then we have car. So this car is car cerulus. And then we have lumentum. This lo means lumentum. So these are 1, 2, 3, 4 types of schizocarp fruits. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now let us discuss. So this is 4 types. Let us discuss these. Cremocarp is a type of fruit which breaks into 2 mericarps. So it breaks into 2 mericarps, and example for this is coriander. Coriandrum sativum. What happens here, that this is one mericarp and this is second mericarp, and they are connected like this. They are born on this carpophore. So this is carpophore, and this is mericarp. Now if you see this looks like an umbrella. So this is member of Umbelliferae family or Apiaceae family or Umbelliferae family. The members of Umbelliferae family are having this type of fruit, cremocarp. Next one is regma. Now regma is, example for regma is Ricinus communis, example is Ricinus communis. Now what happens here, this, if you see here, it is broken into two. Cremocarp is breaking into two mericarps. Here this one, Regma, it is breaking or splitting into three. So it is breaking into three mericarps, also called as cocci or coccus. Single is coccus. So here two mericarp, here three. So number will be increasing, as you can see here. How it looks like, this is castor, common word or common English term for this Ricinus is castor. Okay, or Ricinus communis. Let us see now how it looks like. This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. So this is basically made up of tricarpellary ovary, and it breaks into 3 mericarp, and it has tubercles like this structures also on the surface of the fruit like this. So this is the example of Ricinus, Regma. This is Regma. Then the next one is Carceolus. So generally 3 mericarps, but in some plants like in geranium, it may break into 4 to 7. Geranium, it may break into 4 to 7 mericarps also. Next one is Carceolus. Now the example for Carceolus is Ocimum, Ocimum sanctum. Ocimum sanctum, commonly called as Tulsi, okay, or basil, holy basil. Now here it is broken into 4. So here you can see 2 mericarps, here 3 mericarps, and here 4 mericarps or 4 cocci, round structures. So you can see that it is also increasing. The number of fruit split parts are increasing. How it looks like, 1, 2, 3, 4, this one. Okay, so this is about the Carceolus. The next one is Lomentum. Lomentum, the example for Lomentum is peanut. Although the peanut is not a nut, as I told in botany many times, the terms which are describing the plant or the fruit is not the real one, or not the real one. Okay, so peanut basically is a type of, because it is from Leguminaceae family, so it's type of legume basically, pod, but it is type of Lomentum. Now what is Lomentum? In Lomentum there are constrictions. So there are many constrictions for on the pericarp, on the outer wall, for each seed inside. So what happens that each seed, although it will not be split totally, but each seed will be arranged in separate compartments. So there will be formation of compartments. So there will be formation of segment or compartment. So P will be something like this. So if you see this one like this, and inside it will have seeds. So this is the compartment or constriction. This is a constriction here. This is a constriction, and this one is the seed. So peanut, scientific name is Arachis hypogea. I'll write here Arachis hypogea, and acacia also, they are having Lomentum. So this is how we finish now the dry indehiscent fruits, all the types of indehiscent fruits, starting from and guess, achene, nut grain, utricle, samara, schizocarp, and then the examples or the subdivisions of schizocarp, cri, reg, car, lu, and with examples. So I think now the examples, the types are clear to you. Thank you very much for watching the video, and please do like, subscribe, share the video with your friends so that they also get these videos and be benefited with these. Stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you very much once again.